I'll show you how you can restart phone without a power button. We're gonna download an app called Assistive Touch for Android. Once you have downloaded the app, you want to go ahead and tap on open. Once you tap on open, you can see now the app will open. Now Assistive Touch will be taking a couple of minutes to launch up. It is an app for people who has problems with their phone. That's why it's called Assistive Touch. We're gonna be making use of this app. Now again, the loading might take a couple of minutes. You can see now once you have loaded in, you want to go ahead and tap on select a language. I'm just going to go with English. Now give it a check mark. Now again, it's going to load in for a couple more minutes. On this point, you might see a couple of ads as well. Just skip those. Let's just go ahead and wait for this to load. Now, once it has loaded, you want to make sure Assistive Touch is enabled right there. So you'll see that. Now you can see now Assistive Touch will be enabled. Now, once you have that's done, you can see now there's going to be a yellow button down here. On this yellow button down here, you want to go ahead and tap on power. On power, you can see now you can slide it down to reboot. I'm not going to reboot because it will mess up my recording, but you can see that is how you do it.